Dear students, welcome to Kota Maths Lab. In this video, we are discussing a problem relating to circle, areas, trigonometry combined together. It's very interesting to, clubbing all the concepts in a single problem. Let's just see what the problem is all about. Here is a circle and CE is the diameter because O is the center of the circle and OAB is a triangle with angle AOB is equal to 60 degree and angle DCE is equal to 30 degree. What we need to find is the ratio of the areas of triangle OAB, triangle OAB and triangle DCE. We need to find the ratio of the areas of these two triangles. A very beautiful problem. Let us now see how we will find solution for this problem. Solution. First, understand what the problem is. It is very important to understand first what the problem is all about. Since angle here is 60 degree and OA and OB are equal because they are radii of same circle. OA is equal to OB. Therefore, these two angles are equal because it is here first of all we will write radii of same circle. OA is equal to OB. Therefore, both of these two angles are equal. That is, angle A is equal to angle B. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B. Hence, we say that angle A plus angle A, that is angle B, is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. This is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 60 degree. Well, this became 60 degree now. This is 60 degree. Sorry, this figure, this is 60 degree. This is also 60 degree. Therefore, all of them are 60 degree and hence OAB becomes equilateral triangle. Therefore, triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Now, area of equilateral triangle. Is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Let us assume that OA is equal to OB is equal to A. Therefore, it became like this. This is area of equilateral triangle, that is OAB. We want to find the ratio of these two. Therefore, first we have found triangle OAB area. Therefore, this we will write it as triangle OAB. Very fine. Now, we shall take in this diagram how to find this. This is a very fantastic one because the angle here is 30 degree and this angle automatically becomes 60 degree. We are given only CE. CE is diameter. CE is equal to diameter. And radius we have taken it to be A units. Therefore, CE becomes 2A units. Therefore CE is equal to 2A units. Very fine. Now here 2A, this is given, and we need to find the values DC and DE. Why we require that? Let us see. First of all, DCE is what kind of triangle? It is a right angle triangle, because angle CDE is angle in the semicircle, because CE is diameter. Angle in the semicircle is always 90 degree. Therefore, we will understand that here in triangle CDE, what we will do is, in this figure 30 degrees given and this side we want DE. Therefore, we will apply sine function. Angle theta is here, hypotenuse here, and this is opposite side. Opposite side and hypotenuse are defined by sine function. Therefore, we will take sine theta is equal to, that is sine 30 degree is equal to opposite side is DE divided by hypotenuse is CE. Sine 30 degree means we know that it is 1 by 2, that is equal to DE is unknown, and this becomes CE means 2 times A, because CE is diameter. CE is a diameter, opposite side is DE, sine 30 degree is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. And hence we have taken half is equal to D by 2A. This implies, on simplification, 2A comes this side, 2 cancelled, DE is equal to A units. And hence we got, friends, DE is equal to A units. We got this value, that is A. Now we require DC also. Here it is 60 degree. Again we will apply sine. Sine 60 degree is equal to DC opposite side by hypotenuse. DC divided by 2A. That is, once again, in triangle DCE sine 60 degree is equal to DC divided by CE. Sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2 is equal to DC we need to find divided by CE means 2A, that is diameter. This 2 and 2 cancelled, that is we want DC is equal to root 3A. The value of DC has come root 3A. It's a beautiful concept now. Just check it here. This has become root 3A. Root 3A and A. In this triangle, CD becomes base and ED becomes height. Therefore, half base into height. We can easily calculate. It is the area of the triangle. Area of triangle DEC or DCE is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. That is equal to 1 by 2 base. Base means we have received it to be root 3A and height is nothing but A. I once again show you the figure to identify these things. This is base and this is height. Base is root 3a and height is a. That what we have used here. This is equal to root 3 a square by 2. Now what we require is find the ratio of these two triangles, that is area DCE, and we have found it to be area of OAB has already come and area of DCE has just come now. We will calculate the ratio of these two. The ratios will be area triangle OAB is to area triangle DCE is equal to root 3 by 4a square is to root 3 by 2a square. Root 3 cancelled, a square cancelled, then it becomes 1 by 4 into 2 by 1, that's equal to 1:2. The ratio of these two triangles is 1:2. Dear friends, please understand this entire problem once again slowly, taking the snapshots at each step, then just visualize yourself the entire problem. You will understand it once again very carefully and then practice it. Wish you happy learning. Keep visiting Kota Maths Lab YouTube channel to watch fresh videos every day. All the very best to you. Happy learning.